you're not active in stock market. How was the course videos you joined in? How was the course videos and you had watched everything? You completed the course. Can you share about that?
What I believe that even experience or the new beginners, this course is really very nice course. And then market, economic, which sector is running well, what will be the effect on different sectors. So it will give you much more clear idea.
Any success you had after going through the course?
My personal belief is something different. If I avoid the loss or if I avoid the wrong selection of the stock, then it is also as good as the gain. In-depth discussion is there, doubts are getting cleared, and even apart from the master class, even I found the WhatsApp support is also very unique, because in market I have searched so many courses and I have come across so many courses even through Facebook and other.
So if you can say what may be your financial goals from now on?
Basically, my thinking is to create a wealth, and once I get retired, then I also want to remain active for the earning.
Do you think financial freedom is possible in stock market over a period of time? So welcome everyone. This is another success story today from our community where Truptesh was able to find stocks by himself and he was able to see the results, because that is the reason all of you are joining the course and he is able to achieve that. So let's hear more from Truptesh on his stock market journey and investing journey till now, and how this course has helped him in going his financial journey to the next level. So welcome Truptesh, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, thank you. I'm a professional and I'm doing job in engineering company, public limited company, and I have experience of more than 28 years. So I was not that much active, but now I've started to take active participation in stock market.
Awesome. You are given a lead for the next question also. Were you already investing, not active in the sense where you are afraid of, or what was the reason like you're not active in stock market?
No, yeah, long back before 2012, I was a little bit active in stock market, and then in 2012 I purchased my second home. So at that time I withdrew some amount of my investments from the stock market, and I was not active for some time. But after COVID, once again from January 21, once again started this activity of investment.
Awesome. That's great. You are back to where money is there. You are back in that position. And how was the course videos you joined in? How was the course videos and you had watched everything? You completed the course. Can you share about that?
Yeah, it was basically very helpful, very informative, and what I like the most that nowadays there are so many courses I have seen in the Facebook and other social media that basically purely discuss about the charting and all those things, which is basically not so easy to understand. But while in this course, it started with fundamentals and sectors, market lookout, economy lookout. So in long term, if you see, this is much more helpful. So what I believe that even experience or the new beginners, this course is really very nice course, because it focuses more on fundamentals, qualitative analysis, and then market, economic, which sector is running well, what will be the effect on different sectors. So it will give you much more clear idea that how you want to remain in long term.
Okay, perfect. I think that's how everyone should learn. Thanks for mentioning quickly on that same important point with respect to my course. And also, any success you had, you mentioned all the good points. Any success you had after going through the course?
Yeah, actually, what I will it that success is not only the basically the just monetary benefit in terms of stock has gained 20%, 50%, or 100%. My personal belief is something different. If I avoid the loss or if I avoid the wrong selection of the stock, then it is also as good as the gain.
Right.
And this I have experienced that I have taken MSTC based on some few readings and tips and some social media like money control website and other things. And then I, after going through the course, when I made the analysis, and one point of time I realized that I should quit from the stock.
Okay.
So with little bit losses, I quit from the stock, but I never regret. And now I feel much more confident, and then I switch over to some other stocks where I've gained. So I think it is success is not only in the terms of just gaining. If we can avoid the losses or we can avoid the huge losses, without emotional bias and with focused view, then it is also a success. That is what I believe.
Super, super. I think many of you, for people who are watching, I think this is an important point I say during the webinars and in some of the classes. And he himself was able to understand and implement. I'm happy for that. And also you mentioned there is something called masterclass. We are doing it for the last few months and regularly you have been participating. So share your masterclass experience. How was it? Is it helpful from that?
Yeah, masterclass is really a very unique concept, and I can say that it was very, very much useful, where all the queries are addressed and detailed exercising is done. For example, qualitative analysis, then detailed exercise is done on that. What are the factors we should consider in qualitative analysis? So, in-depth discussion is there. Doubts are getting cleared, and even apart from the master class, even I found the WhatsApp support is also very unique, where all the queries are addressed very in a very beautiful way. So, masterclass is really very unique and supportive.
Thank you so much for that. And one unique thing about this course, and have you been part of any other course, or have you experienced anything? And one unique thing about this course.
No, actually, this is my first course where I enrolled professionally for regarding stock market. Earlier, my before 2012, what was my participant was just based on the some newspaper or social media or like friend discussion and like that. So this is my first course, and I like the most important thing that you mainly focus on the fundamental analysis, then qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis, and again you are focusing on to keep away from the emotional bias. So these four things I really like most, because if you want to remain as a investor for a long term, then these four factors are very important. That we must do this analysis as well as we must be away from emotional bias. So
Right,
that is the
right.
more main important factor. So I really like this course, because in market I have searched so many courses and I have come across so many courses even through Facebook and other. But normally people does not give such type of the courses. They do not offer such type of courses regarding fundamentals and economic cycles, sectors, all these things.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much for sharing that unique point, because I'll be able to improvise myself, and anything particular I can also use. Thank you for
Yeah,
sharing.
because nowadays, if you go through the Facebook, there are so many courses on technical charts, then intraday, F&O, but no one just address this type of fundamental things.
Okay, awesome. Thanks for saying that also. Because earlier I used to be very thinking, will it work? Will people accept? Because this doesn't help you in making on a daily basis. This helps you in making money over a period of time, at least 3 months, but in a right way. So now I am a bit confident, I will say, after hearing it from you and many other people. And what are your financial goals, sir? So if you can say what may be your financial goals from now on.
Actually, I have not defined any such final goal. Basically, my thinking is to create a wealth, and once I get retired, then I also want to be remain active for the earning. So this is what my basic thinking is. That so that is why I have joined this class, and again I have restarted this activity in a very organized manner.
Okay.
So at least still I have some years before which I can get some mastery, and even after retirement, I can remain very active. I can take active participation in investment.
Super, super. Nice to hear. All the very best for that. And now you are going to build a corpus, your wealth, as you say. And do you think financial freedom is possible in stock market over a period of time?
Yes, definitely. If first and foremost thing that if we have the patience, number one. Number two, if we can keep our emotions away based on your theory, and if there is a right quantitative and qualitative analysis, and in a disciplined manner, if investment is done, say every month, rather than, for example, if tomorrow I have 1 lakh rupees, for example, so rather than pumping 1 lakh rupees at a time, it is better to invest 10,000 every month. So this will spread the risk. So if that kind of the discipline approach is there and emotional buyer is not there, and some good qualitative and quantitative analysis is done, then definitely it will give some returns and we can create some wealth. There is no doubt in it.
Awesome. Thank you for that. And finally, how strongly you will recommend this course, and we will like to hear it from you.
Yeah, definitely. I would like to recommend this course from bottom of my heart because I have learned from it, and I like these 3 4 points and your theory, and your service is also very good. You address the query in a very efficient manner. WhatsApp support is also very good. Facebook group is there, so definitely I recommend anybody that this is the unique course which focus mainly on the fundamentals and market understanding rather than just charting and other things. So
Awesome.
definitely I would recommend.
Thank you so much for that, for a positive review, and thank you so much, Truptesh. Thank you for coming on video because it means a lot, because you completed the learning and you took time to come online and share your views. Thank you so much.
You are always welcome. Thank you.